Hey everybody, this is Bjorn from WP Learning Lab, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install a theme from the WordPress theme repository. So here we are at the dashboard. So what we have to do is go to Appearance on the left-hand menu and click on Themes. Then we see a list of our currently installed themes. You usually have at least one on there, or you get an error if you don't. But most often you have multiple themes in here. When you're on this page, click on Add New near the top. And here we are at the WordPress repository. It's right inside your WordPress dashboard, so that's really great for easy access. And there are thousands of themes in here. You can filter them based on featured, which is the default, and you can scroll down and you can see all the featured themes. If you like one of them, just hover over it. If you want more details, click on Details and Preview, or you can click on Install. You can choose the popular section, which shows the most downloaded themes, the latest, which is the newest themes that have been created, and probably the most popular or most powerful feature is the filter. So if you know what you want from your theme, if you know your colors that you want, say you only want to see gray or silver or white themes, or themes that have those as the dominant colors. You want to have a responsive layout so it adjusts to multiple different screen sizes for multiple different devices. You want your sidebar on the right. For features, we want to have, in case you don't know, accessibility ready means that people who are visually impaired, they can come to your site and use a screen reader to be able to read what's on the screen or read what's on the website. And it takes a specific kind of coding on the back end, specific tags that the developer has to code in for that to work. So you can choose accessibility ready themes. You may want to have one that has featured images, and you want to have one that has micro formats. Micro formats are things that search engines use to identify particular components of a theme. So if you have, I don't know if you ever saw this before, you may have or may not have, but sometimes when you search on Google, you actually see the star rating in the search results. So you have out of 5 stars, maybe a certain page is 4 to 5 stars in the Google search results. That is actually a micro format. And Google is able to read those and incorporate that into the search results to create what it calls rich snippets or rich search results. And you can choose a subject, which in this case I won't. But we have all our features selected. We click on Apply Filters, and then it shows us all the themes that match those filters, and there are none. So I'm going to get off or take off the accessibility ready, which I think is likely the feature that's causing the problem. And there we go. Accessibility ready is not often done. I was actually curious to see what would come up, but it was nothing. So there aren't a lot of accessibility ready themes out there. But here are the ones that match the criteria that I chose. And you can choose your own criteria and find the ones that best match it. And then you can see the themes and see what they would look like on your site. So if you find one we like, we can click on Details and Preview, which I often recommend you do. This is how, on the left-hand side, shows some details. On the right-hand side is how the theme could look. And what you'll notice right away is the little thumbnail looks a lot different than the actual content on your website. And that's going to happen with every single theme you choose. It's actually quite a big pain because you see a beautiful theme and you think, oh, I'm downloading this amazing theme, I'm going to install it and be ready to go in 5 minutes. But then you install it and it just looks blah. The developer set a lot of theme options, they tweaked a lot of settings to make it look pretty, but then you have to tweak those settings and set those theme options as well before yours will look pretty. So I'm going to install this theme right here, Nirvana. Just click on Install. WordPress does its thing. We can click on Live Preview to see how that would look live on our website with our current content on the site. And this is how it looks. It actually looks a lot better than most. It's got this nice image up here, nice images here. It looks a lot better than most for the default settings. So I'm going to click on Save and Activate. Then I'm going to view the site and see how it looks live. And it doesn't look bad. With some minor tweaking, this could actually be a really good looking theme for this site. Quick note, if you ever have this happening where you have all these pages showing up in the menu, it's because you haven't set a menu under Appearance and Menus. I have other videos that describe how to do that, but that's the issue. I just wanted to let you know, just in case you have seen that or have encountered that issue, that is what it is. You haven't set up the menus properly in the menu section. So I hope this video helps you. My name is Bjorn Alpass from WP Learning Lab. Please make sure you subscribe, follow us on social media, and check out WPLearningLab.com where we write about WordPress every single day. Talk to you soon.